Mazda has done something remarkable with the 2025 CX-5, pushing its popular crossover into bold new territory. The CX-5 has always been known for its perfect blend of luxury, driving dynamics, and reliability, but the 2025 model cranks everything up to another level. From aggressive design updates to a significant powertrain boost in cutting-edge interior tech, this new CX-5 feels like it's arrived from the future, ready to battle giants in the SUV world. The first thing you'll notice is the exterior. Mazda's Kodo design philosophy is alive and well, but it's been dialed to maximum impact. The front grille is bolder, with sharper lines and dark chrome detailing that makes the whole SUV look more athletic and muscular. Slim LED headlights with animated turn signals give it a high-end vibe, while the sculpted side panels and gloss black trim scream performance. Even the rear tailgate has been reworked with sleek taillights and an integrated spoiler that reminds you this isn't just any ordinary compact SUV. But looks are only half the story. Under the hood, Mazda offers multiple engine options including a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder that delivers 256 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque. That's insane power for a crossover of this size, allowing it to sprint from 0 to 60 in around 6.1 seconds. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving up tight corners on mountain roads, the 2025 CX-5 delivers a thrilling experience. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus and available iActive all-wheel drive provide outstanding grip, balance, and confidence, even in bad weather conditions. What truly sets the CX-5 apart is its focus on driving feel. Mazda hasn't forgotten that their customers love the way their cars drive, not just how they look. The steering is tight and responsive, the suspension has been refined to absorb bumps without feeling soft, and road feedback is excellent. Most compact SUVs feel disconnected from the road, but not the CX-5. It feels alive under your hands, and that's what makes it so addictive to drive. Step inside, and things get even more premium. The 2025 CX-5 features a cabin that could rival German competitors in terms of design and quality. Materials like Nappa leather, real wood trim, and aluminum accents elevate the experience far beyond what you'd expect at this price point. Mazda's designers have crafted an interior that feels more like a boutique hotel lounge than a mass-market SUV. The tech is just as impressive. A massive 12.3-inch infotainment screen now sits front and center, controlled via Mazda's rotary dial system or optional touchscreen functionality. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and a 12-speaker Bose audio system is available on higher trims. You also get a fully digital instrument cluster, a head-up display, wireless charging, and multiple USB-C ports to keep everyone connected. Mazda hasn't skimped on safety either. The 2025 CX-5 comes standard with a full suite of iActive